Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from series of 30 Days of Pandas. This question will be finding a patient with a specific condition. For the data frame, as an input, we have patient IDs, patient name, and the conditions. And the question wants us to find to create a solution that return the patient ID, name, and condition in case that the condition contains DIAP1, which is information for type 1 diabetes, and the result can be in any order. So when you look at these examples here, what it returns is DIAP1 at the beginning and after a vital space. So what we can do is look at the information in the condition as str and use the .conditions to find the cases with DIAP1. To do this, we simply return patients. We take a look at column patients conditions .str.contains. What it should contains is a regex. So regex is true and NA is false. And the regex that we take a look at is either we have directly DIAP1 or we have one space DIAP1. Let's see. And as you can see, return two cases that has been found and has been expected for this case, and let's submit. And that's it. Thank you for your attention. In any case that you had a question, I would be happy to answer them in the comment section. And if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and follow for more. Thank you very much.